20,000 rupees down the hole again.
But it is real project car.
Problems are basically never ending in this car. It's completely destroyed. This is what depression looks like, bro. So this is episode 1 of the Laura VRS restoration project, and in this video we're actually going to make this car drivable. As you just saw in the reveal video, this car, it's a pretty extensive restoration project. I mean, not a single thing on this car is working right, at least at the moment. So the main stuff that we need to do is the suspension work and most importantly, the fuel pump of the car. So that is what we're going to do. And when it comes to the suspension, we're going to be installing Bilstein B14 PSS suspension. So this is basically height adjustable coilovers. They don't really have the normal coilovers, rebound and compression adjustment, only the height. So that's what we're going to be installing. After that, we'll see how it goes. The car, of course, needs a service as well. So yeah, let's go step by step. I think so we're going to start opening up the suspension first. So we just unpacked the Bilstein suspension, but let's talk about some of the boring stuff because the car needs quite a lot of maintenance. So we have the fuel pump module, the air filter, the fuel filter, new gearbox oil. This is the complete rear bushing kit. These over here are stabilizer link rods. We have eccentric bolts. This is, I forgot this again. This is the subframe bush, anti-roll bar. This is the suspension mounts, and over here, what? Lower arm bush. Sorry, lower arm bush. Sorry. Lower arm bush, and over here we have the Bilstein B14 PSS suspension. And as I said, it is height adjustable, and you can adjust the height using this too. Plank, bro. WD-40 मारने आया थोड़ा.
Brother.
एक नंबर. WD-40 लगेगा भाई. ये रस्ट ऑफ है क्या? अरे बट इसको ढक्कन नहीं. It is real project car. I'm saying no.
Tell the problems.
Oh, it's cooked. I will help Mr. Pundlik with this.
No, it's not needed now. It's done. Everything is open.
थोड़ा इधर मार.
मत मार, क्या जरूरत?
अरे वो
क्या?
बोल्ट घुसाते वक्त प्रॉब्लम नहीं होना चाहिए ना.
वो बाद में जब लगाएगा तब करेगा. That one garage who said he can get it done cheaper.
next day.
So now it's day 2 and we just gave the suspension bushes for pressing. In the meanwhile, well, the boys have found another issue with my car. If you look over here, not sure if you can see it, we'll probably lay a shot on top. That over there is the water pump leaking. Of course, an E888 build cannot go without the water pump leaking. So of course we ordered a brand new water pump, 20,000 rupees down the hole again. So yeah, I mean, this is just going to get more expensive the more we open up the car. And I'm pretty sure this is just the start of the problems.
One day later.
So we're now on day 3 and the bushings and the mounts and everything have gotten pressed and they've come back. So we're going to be fitting this very, very soon. But before that, we have to do the service. So we're going to first change the air filter and let's start working from there. I'll be filter change specialist. थक गया रे, इतने में ही थक गया मैं, बस हो गया मेरे को। हो गया।
So that what you just saw was the gearbox mount and that has actually come wrong. So we're sending it back and getting the new part. In the meantime, we're checking if the engine mounts have come right. If they have, we'll change the engine mounts first and then see what happens next.
So, of course, more problems. Problems are basically never ending in this car. And yeah, this is the oil cooler for the Laura. And as you can see, it's completely destroyed. The coolant has leaked so much that it's basically just, yeah, created a massive hole, and there's a leak over here as well. So, never ending.
I have something to say.
Yes, bro.
There's this swap a Gen 3 motor and get done with it.
इतना खर्चा करवाने के बाद किधर Gen 3 motor, bro? This is what depression looks like. It cost 1.7 lakh rupees. Please help me, bro. एवढं मोठं बिल पाठवलंय.